15 U.S. Code 1603 Exempted Transactions. This subchapter does not apply to the following: credit transactions involving extensions of credit primarily for business, commercial, or agricultural purposes, or to government or governmental agencies or instrumentalities, or to organizations. Transactions in securities or commodities accounts by a broker dealer registered with the Securities and Exchange Commissions. Does not apply to credit transactions other than those in which a security interest is or will be acquired in real property or in personal property used or expected to be used as the principal dwelling of the consumer, and other than private education loans, as that term is defined in section 1650A of this title, in which the total amount financed exceeds $50,000. Does not apply to transactions under public utility tariffs. If the Bureau determines that a state regulatory body regulates the charges for the public utility services involved, the charges for delayed payment, and any discount allowed for early payment. Does not include transactions for which the Bureau by rule determines that coverage under this subchapter is not necessary to carry out the purposes of this subchapter. Number 6 was repealed. Public Law 96-221, Title 4, subsection 603C3, March 31st, 1980, 94, Statute 169. Number 7 does not include loans made, insured, or guaranteed pursuant to a program authorized by Title 4 of the Higher Education Act 20 USC 1070